Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Onimusha Commander skin full guide. Start by opening your event tab and locating the Commander Alpha Challenge to track progress. Complete daily missions, score objectives, and the limited time boss fights that award key tokens. Prioritize high reward missions and use boost items to speed up token gains. Stay aware of event timers and save resources for mandatory moments to secure the skin. Begin with the daily mission rota and mark which missions you can reliably complete each day to accumulate tokens. Focus on boss fights, offering alpha fragments, and team up for higher difficulty runs when possible. Spend surplus tokens in the exchange shop strategically to fill gaps without wasting premium currency. Track progress on the event panel and adjust priorities toward timed objectives to avoid last-minute rushes and missed rewards. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos like this one. Quick recommendation. I've been using these leak-proof meal prep containers, and they make mid-session fuel easy and mess-free, perfect for long grind days. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Manage your resources by saving premium currency for event boosts that directly increase token yield. Coordinate with clan members for scheduled boss runs to maximize success and share tactics for difficult encounters. Keep an eye on official patch notes and community channels for any adjustments to drop rates or event windows that could impact your plan. A steady, organized approach beats frantic grinding at the last minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.